From the idea to use a monolever switch to control a hydraulic pump to retrofit that asset, we ended up to build a full control box. And one day my friend asked me if you can create a control box for that old machine. And I went there, we have tested the solenoid were working, the pump were working, and then I say yes, why not? And we started to build it. I have ordered the parts, I have ordered a monolever switch, I have ordered some switch for the 3-phase motor and also an indicator. Since the solenoid valves were 24 volts, I have decided that I will use an industrial power source for that will allow me to open and close the valves. Of course, before I was able to install anything on my friend's location with the control box, I did some preparation. As you can see, I have did some cabling. But the most interesting and the most challenging part, in a good way, it was to work with your child. Like I had my son and my daughter helping me with that small project, and it was a great feeling. It was an amazing feeling, and even my son has mentioned a couple of times when we will do that activity again. Since the 24 volt power supply, it was taking a lot of space, I was only able to move the control part, the switch for the 3-phase motor, the monolever switch and the LED indicator in one side of the box. Unfortunately, it was taking a lot of space inside that power supply. The base idea was, if you move the switch to left, then one of the solenoid valves are opening to the left hand side, that it allows any kind of machine to move to the left or up or down. And when you move to the right, the opposite happens, then allows the other solenoid that oil can circulate across, and it does other direction as per design. Unfortunately, when I went out there to install the whole system, I wasn't recording, so there is no any internal video of how messy the cabling it was ending up. But I have a video from the final result, and here is how the end result looked like. If you think this video was interesting or helpful by any mean, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.